What is up everyone? So today I'm going to be teaching you a quick tutorial on how to do the finger popping Arab style. First thing you want to do is you want to take your right hand, or if you're lefty, you take your left hand. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. You bring your right hand to your left hand, just like this. These two fingers are important. These two fingers, you put one finger here and the other one right here, just like that. You see, just like that. Alright, and if you see, there are two marks here on your fingers. Put them exactly right there, just like that. Put down your hand, bring down your hand just like this. This finger, the pinky finger, goes in the back like that, and grip. When you put your fingers like this, you grip. Once you got a good grip, this finger goes up to this spot right here. You put your finger right here. The thumb on the left hand pushes on the right index, and then force. So your goal is to put a lot of friction here, and then just slam it right here. This is the spot. This is the target. If you're holding like this is how I hold. See? Anyway, so I hope you guys understand how to do the finger popping Arab style. Just like this. One finger down, this one pressures, put pressure. It looks like I'm breaking my fingers, but I'm not. Simply like this. Just like that. Yeah, yells it. From this side. It takes a lot of practice. It took me at least 1 month of practice to understand how to do this. Just practice takes time, and you'll learn how to do this perfectly. So again, put your force here, and it has to hit right here, right in between these two fingers, right here. Just like that. And then now, turn up like an Arab. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed too. If you liked, please favorite and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.